Feeling cramped in your kitchen? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're sharing some amazing kitchen decor ideas for small spaces that will make your kitchen feel bigger and more inviting. The right color palette can dramatically impact the perception of space in a small kitchen. For a clean and minimalist look, consider a monochromatic. If you want to add a pop of personality, try contrasting hues. And for a cheerful and airy vibe, pastels are a great option. Good lighting is essential for a functional and visually appealing kitchen. Overhead lights provide general illumination, while under-cabinet lighting can highlight countertops and task areas. Natural light can make a small kitchen feel more spacious and inviting. Consider adding large windows or skylights if possible. Maximizing storage is key in a small kitchen. Open shelving can add a touch of rustic charm while providing display space. Corner cabinets can make use of often overlooked space. Wall-mounted organizers can keep essentials within reach, and built-in storage can provide efficient and organized storage solutions. Before you start decorating, it's important to declutter. Get rid of anything you don't use or need. The less clutter, the more spacious your kitchen will feel. Consider using storage containers and organizing systems to keep your kitchen tidy. Mirrors can make a small space feel larger by reflecting light and creating the illusion of more space. Consider adding a mirror above your sink or on a wall to visually expand your kitchen. Examples of small kitchens with plants. Narrator, bringing nature indoors can add a touch of life and freshness to your kitchen. Small plants like herbs or succulents can be a great addition. Plus, they can help improve air quality. A functional kitchen design can make a big difference in a small space. Consider using multi-purpose furniture, such as a kitchen island that doubles as a dining table, and opt for compact appliances to save space. Remember, with a little creativity and planning, even the smallest kitchen can be transformed into a functional and stylish space. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your kitchen makeover today. Color can dramatically change the perception of a space. For small kitchens, consider a light color palette with pops of bright accents. White walls and light-colored cabinetry can make the room feel more open. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of space. Mirrors can visually expand a room by reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. Place a large mirror opposite a window or on a blank wall to maximize its effect. Incorporate plants for a natural touch and a sense of calm. Plants can add life and color to your kitchen while improving air quality. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in low-light conditions, such as snake plants, spider plants, or pothos. Maximize your space with smart storage solutions. Floating shelves are perfect for displaying dishes and decor, while corner cabinets can utilize often overlooked areas. Create a spice rack using repurposed wooden crates. Wooden crates are a versatile and affordable option for storage. Paint them in a color that complements your kitchen decor and use them to store spices, herbs, or cooking utensils.